Hi everyone, my name is Danielle. I'm Miss Happy Housewife, and today I'm going to be cleaning my house for the last time. So in case you didn't know, I did buy a new house, and we are basically cleaning this house so that we can be done with it, and that way we can start cleaning in the new house. So my job today is I'm going to be starting from high and working my way down low. Hopefully I won't need so many breaks. I'm feeling a little bit better. But that's kind of the plan today, and I'm going to take you along with me. So let's get started. So since I'm starting high and going low, the first thing that I need to do is dust all the ceiling fans, and I'm also going to be trying to dust all the vents that are up high as well. If there's any high windows, I'll be dusting the ledges, and then from there, we'll figure it out. But that's the plan for right now.
Baby, can we talk about it? There's something that I need to say to you. Don't say I'm never honest. Well, baby, should we lie about it? Do we still pretend that we're okay? Like nothing's going on here. Cause I don't have any feelings to hurt, and all you got is a serious words. There's nothing to do about it. Tell me the truth about it. That I got no tears left to cry. Can you just look me in the eye and tell me we're messed up? And you dress up for the part. You're so unpredictable.
So I know that it looked pretty dusty, and it is. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take a regular Swiffer duster, and I'm going to go ahead and do the blinds. I'm going to dust all the blinds in the house. Then I'm going to lift the blinds. I'm going to wash all the windows. So let's get going.
Cause I don't have any feelings to hurt, and all you got is a serious words. There's nothing to do about it. Tell me the truth about it. That I got no tears left to cry. Can you just look me in the eye and tell me we're messed up? Would you dress up for the part? You're so unpredictable. In the morning, in the evening.
So now that I'm done with the windows, I didn't want to go and show you all of the windows and all of, because that was going to take too much. But I did them. I did every single one. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a mixture of Pine Sol and water, and I'm going to take like a magic eraser, and I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do all of the doors. I'm going to do the front and the back of the doors. Before I leave, I do have a can of Lysol, so I'm also going to make sure that I spray all the surfaces as well. That way no one else gets COVID. So let's go ahead and get right to those doors.
You wanna ride on my wave just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun, don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it, but you haven't seen anything yet. Now you're just beginning your trip to regrets. You might think you know me, but soon you forget. I'm too insane, and you know it. You got to learn to like me again and again, 'cause I will make you love me again and again. Just when you think you love me, you'll think again, 'cause I will make you hate me again and again. I'll say I'm fine when I'm not, just to mess you up. I won't be home when you want, and I won't pick up. You'll spend your time with your watch, counting down the clock. You'll go insane.
So, a little update. I am wearing different clothes. So here's what happened, right? So I did take a break, and I got my two daughters to come over, and help, and I forgot to record. Here's what we did. So we did clean the kitchen. I cleaned both bathrooms. At this point, I'm really just doing, I've already done the baseboards too. So I'm just mopping. Right now, we have a guy here who is doing the carpets. And then I think I'm done. So excited, so excited. So yes, it is another day. Let's go ahead, I'm gonna show you around so you can see what we've done, and then let's jump right back in.
Too insane, and you know it. You got to learn to like me again and again, 'cause I will make you love me again and again. Just when you think you love me, you think again, 'cause I will make you hate me again and again. Again and again. Again and again. You wanna ride on my wave just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun. Don't seem to care if it's safe, but that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it. You got to learn to like me again and again, 'cause I will make you love me again and again. Just when you think you love me, you think again, 'cause I will make you hate me again and again. You got to learn to like me again and again, 'cause I will make you love me again and again. Just when you think you love me, you think again, 'cause I will make you hate me again and again. Again and again. Again and again.
So I'm done mopping all the floors. All that's really left is to shine the sink. So let's go do that.
I've spent my days being ready to go. I have lived my life on the road. I always keep on moving on. When the sun comes up, I'll be far away. I never cared about what they say. I always keep on moving on. I left you behind to live my life. I got up on an early Sunday morning to say goodbye. I'll be a long way from home to see the world of ours. I won't let anyone say I can go far. I always keep on moving on. But I know it won't last even though I try. I stay true to myself through my whole life. I keep on moving, always keep on moving on. I left you behind to live my life. I got up on an early Sunday morning to say goodbye. I left you behind. I left.
Well, that's it. That's all. I pretty much started my channel in this house, at least the cleaning pieces of it. So it's time for a new chapter. So I'm gonna go back home, but I will see you all in the next video. Bye.